Things are about to get bloody here at Chippewa Lake Slaughterhouse. We're up here in Chippewa Lake, Ohio, and we hear this is one of the most intense haunts up here in the northern part of the state, if not the entire state of Ohio. And we're gonna kick things up a notch with the touch pass, and we're gonna take you inside with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh, hey, a little tin long. Would you there?
Oh, yeah.
That's all pretty with the
It matches the necklace.
We gotta go in there.
Oh. Anybody hungry? Yeah, we're gonna be dinner. Oh, crap.
Something just happened in there. Always knock.
Welcome.
Oh, good night.
Where did he come from? Oh, Steve, look out!
It's cooking.
Oh, I don't think I want
fresh.
that.
Don't you like bugs?
Yeah. I like bugs. What is that?
Oh, no.
Oh, my God.
No. That's not good at all.
It says Father's always watching. Is that Father? Oh, which one's a real? Yep, definitely.
That one's real.
That one is real. Oh, my God.
Oh, my.
Uh-oh, hazardous waste. I don't. Oh, there's that freaking pig again.
Oh, you can have it! Oh, gosh. Somebody made a mess in here.
You think? It doesn't smell real good either.
We got visitors!
Oh! That is disgusting. What is on my face? What is that?
We're good.
There's something
Oh,
there.
I
my.
love the bald ones. You know why I love the bald ones?
Why?
When we eat them, you don't have to pick the hairs out of your mouth.
That's convenient.
That's
It's
good.
very convenient.
Yeah.
Some of your hair from my dog.
Oh, no, I gotta keep that.
No, just right here.
Oh, no.
Can I just take
That'll
a
be
little?
too noticeable.
But I want to take some of your hair from my
No, they got plenty of hair. Oh, God, my heart belongs to Daddy.
My.
Father's always watching.
What are you in my laboratory?
I really don't
Who said
know.
you're allowed to be in here?
Well,
We're
nobody.
students for today. Oh, gosh, they got Steve.
Oh, Steve.
Diet like dairy.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna be perfect for bacon.
Yeah. Oh, God. Jeez. Oh, good Lord.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, my God.
Supposed to put in my barrel.
No, I won't fit in there. No. Can't put me in the barrels. Shoot. Oh, shoot. Shoot, balls. Oh, no. It's the long hallway of despair. Oh, no. Shoot. Okay.
Whoa! Gosh.
There's another one.
Watch out for him. Oh, God, they got Steve.
I don't trust these mofos.
Nope.
That one. I don't like it. You gotta stay away from the blue ones. Crap. I don't think so. Yeah, go after her. Holy crap, I'm afraid to look.
Oh, gosh, they got Steve again. I think you've got something.
Good God. No,
Oh, my.
I don't know. Oh, yummy. That's so gross.
Oh, my.
Holy balls. Oh my God. That was real. Did you see how tall they were? Holy crap. It's gotta be safe in here. Oh, me neither. Oh, crap.
Not
No.
safe. Not safe.
No.
Not safe.
Oh, look out.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh,
Oh my God.
look out. Oh, my.
Those things, like, feel weird. Oh, Steve.
Oh, gosh.
Steve.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, my God, he's tall.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, no, shoot. Oh, my, No, this does not look good. No. Oh, jeez.
Oh, God.
Oh, hell. Oh, my God. The suspense is killing me.
I found it, Chippewa Amusement Park. It's so much bigger than my food truck.
Oh my God! What? Why?
Oh, my.
Oh my God! this way.
Oh God!
Look out, Stephanie! No, God.
In my hot dog. Just banging corn dogs in my food truck.
Oh, God. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Running like an idiot. Oh.
Yep.
Holy crap! Ay, 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 ay. Oh, thank you, Fudge.
Oh.
There's too many doors. Shoot.
Oh my. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. No, oh God. He's taking me back here. Help! Help! They almost got me.
I don't want to go by that door.
Right?
Oh my God!
Oh, nothing good has been happening in here.
Of thy sins shall I cleanse thee. We are clean already.
Oh, I see something in the mirror.
You hear that?
I see something in the mirror. Oh my.
No, what is that?
Oh my Lord.
Hi there, Carver,
He's
sir.
been busy.
You get a blessing.
A blessing?
Yes.
Okay. Is that good or bad?
Good. Well, it depends on you.
Oh, shoot.
So the question is, the hand means wisdom and the head means bravery. What do you choose?
Oh, we're gonna go with wisdom.
You're no fun. I would have drawn dick and balls on you. How about you? You got a lot of real estate on that forehead.
Yeah, definitely the head.
Oh no.
Amazing.
Oh, what's he got?
Amazing.
What's he got? What's he got?
I match him now.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, it's bad. Oh, shoot.
That's my girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told them about the plane and they wouldn't listen. I did. I told them about the plane and they wouldn't listen. I told them about it.
There it
Tell him
is.
that it's on the news.
I told them about the plane and they wouldn't listen.
About that.
Oh God. Oh my.
Oh, God. I don't like being in the front of this haunt at all. That's why.
Oh gosh.
Oh,
They
crap.
ran right in.
Holy God dang.
He's back. Is he gonna carve us up?
I know.
That's why.
Oh,
They got Steve. We gotta go.
Oh, crap.
Sorry, Steve.
We can't leave, Steve. God.
I think your symbol might have warded him off.
Go for the head to ward him off. Oh, crap. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Okay. That was a good double tap.
Double tap.
Oh, no, I smell it. No, you stay up there. Oh, my God. Oh. Well, they are?
Huh?
Okay, we'll get away from them. I don't.
What? Oh, it's
I didn't
not
even know that the thing was
suspicious
real.
at all.
Why? What?
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
Oh my God. Okay.
Nora's in there. They slipped her. Oh God. I guess we got. Oh, we waited around too long. Oh God. They got Steve too. Ah,
Steve!
Look at Steve.
Don't make you fit.
Oh my.
Help!
Are they in there? No, they're in the back. Oh no.
How the f do we get
Oh
out?
my. Oh gosh.
That's the first time I've been put in a car like that.
Oh God.
Oh God, I don't trust him. I don't trust him. Just keep on walking. Don't make eye contact.
Don't make eye contact.
Don't make eye contact. Shoot. I think it's over there and we're both. Oh. Okay, that was just a leaf. Now I got scared by a leaf. I thought they were coming after us, Stephanie.
Oh, shit. Talking mushrooms.
Shiitake mushrooms.
Those ones there are meaner. Yeah, the bagheads are mean. Oh. Ah! The bagheads.
Gotta watch them.
Don't look it in the eyes.
The bagman.
Oh, no.
Oh God. They're still coming after us.
Oh man, there's two of them.
Oh gosh.
Shoot. Shoot. That didn't work. Oh, they're both real?
Oh gosh.
Oh, yes.
That's a good double tap.
Damn, that was a good double. They got some really good ones in here. We're getting closer to survival.
This is probably safe.
Yeah, of course
We
it
can hide
is.
out in here for a while.
Yeah. Ay. Some of them are. Oh my goodness. See, he does have a bag on his head. Oh.
What the heck is this?
Is he back
They
there?
took her!
Oh
They
no,
took
he took
Stephanie!
Stephanie.
Oh God.
Stephanie! Stephanie! Do you need help?
Caw.
You don't ever know when they're gonna kidnap you. Oh, guys.
Oh, these
This
people
don't sound
are
good.
probably nice.
Oh. Look out! Stephanie! I'm sorry. Remember your thing on your forehead, I'll ward them off.
Hello?
Hello? Aw, pee.
Oh. They're chanting.
I think that one just moved. Oh, that one moved.
Oh, yeah, definitely
Oh! Oh my. No.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh.
Ah, there's two of them.
moved.
Oh my God.
Oh God, no. They're gonna try to get us to join them.
Gift from above.
What are they got going on up
Oh
here?
my God.
Oh God.
This is not right.
It looks like the airplane pilot. Oh
They're
God.
still back there.
They're still chasing us.
Oh, you guys.
Oh no.
What the hell?
There's more bagmen.
Oh no, I don't like them.
Oh, no.
Sorry, no offense. You're just creepy. There's so many of them.
It's a lot.
There's one. That's a real one. You cannot tell that. Oh my God.
Oh, that's one of the.
See, you kind of think that the ones
stewardesses.
holding the lanterns are real, but they're not. Oh,
Maybe there's nobody down this dark path here.
What is this?
I don't know.
What is this fresh hell? This is not okay.
I don't know. It's literally dark
It's foggy.
and
Are they
spooky.
making it fog, or does that just exist because we're in hell?
I don't know. That's a good question. I really do feel like we're in a movie right now.
Yeah.
Oh, hell.
Oh no. What's this?
I don't know.
What's this?
I ain't real sure. It's something really scary. Like that. Oh my God.
Oh, there's the plane.
We're going in,
That's
right?
the plane from the TV.
It's still
It
smoking.
crashed. He tried to tell him.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, nothing good
His
comes
radio
out of a foggy,
still works.
smoky airplane.
Oh, crap.
It just recently crashed.
I'll take a free Coke, please.
Can we get our bag of chips?
Oh.
Don't mind the sketchy floor.
Oh, I can't see crap.
Oh
Oh,
gosh.
I don't know.
Oh gosh.
It's
just
really
a
weird.
plane breaking in half. It's nothing, you know.
Oh my God, where in the heck?
You don't know where to go.
I don't know where to
Can you
go.
hear the
Oh,
heck was it?
there's one of them in there.
There's one up there. It's
the bagman.
It's that one. Oh God. Steve's way back here.
Steve, oh, he probably couldn't see. It is so foggy
Steve!
in there.
All right, guys, well, that was Chippewa Lake Slaughterhouse up here in Chippewa Lake, Ohio. Let us know what you thought. Highly recommend the touch experience if you come out. That definitely ramps things up a little bit. And a special thank you to Chippewa Lake Slaughterhouse for hooking us up with some VIP tickets. Thank you very much. If you're up here in the area, make sure you check out Nightmare Cleveland. That's where we're heading next, and I've got that video linked for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.